Hey guys, this is Tammy. We're going to do some ditching and switching today. Yep, we're going to save you some money and figure out how to do some things easier, less toxic, and better for your bodies and houses and pets. You're going to be surprised. This is my fabric softener. It is clear as day. You know why? It is vinegar. We use vinegar at house. It only costs $2.50 for this. We get about 40 loads out of that. Depends on if I use it or the family. I use this much, they use that much. But it will help because it will, your clothes won't smell, your towels will absorb more, they won't have that residue, that chemical residue. There are no fragrances in this, and that all helps our body heal. If you want to add a couple little additions to your laundry, Purify. Purify is fabulous. They've been out working in the yard, this. They've been out working at the gym, this. They are just adolescent boys who kind of haven't let it smell, this. If I want something to get cleaner, like we've had greasy or junky or I don't know, just spills on our stuff, I will throw a couple of drops of lemon in with that load. Just drop, drop, drop on the top, and off we go. And these are pennies per drop now. In our dryer, I can't wait to show you this one. These sit on top of my dryer. These are dryer balls, and you're going, what? All right, you can get these from Target, from Amazon, and they are amazing. You can, there's like a big bee in my window right now. You can save money because it won't take you as long to dry. You're going to save money because you're not going to be buying a fabric softener. Again, they'll help your clothes get softer, dry faster, and this is great. The dryer in your house is the biggest diffuser you have, and you don't want all those chemicals in the air. You don't want them outside. You don't want your pets smelling it. So when you put these in there, you're just going to have the natural water evaporation, and this will help. And these are kind of fun, especially having a day you're going to go, and you can just go throw those in there, and then it'll be great. My dog, because sometimes, you know, they get stuck in the arms or the legs of things, and these are so great. He will actually carry these around for a while until I can go snatch them back from him and put them back in the jar. So they're very helpful, and I hope you guys have learned something today. Talk to you later. Bye.